Welcome to GlobeTales, where fun and learning come together. Today, we're bouncing, racing, swimming and flying through 25 amazing sports from around the world. Ready? Let's play. This is soccer, the world's most popular sport. Two teams, one ball and a mission. Score more goals than your opponent. The World Cup is the biggest soccer party. This is basketball. Dribble, pass, shoot. The goal is to get the ball through the hoop. The NBA is home to some of the tallest and fastest players ever. This is baseball, a game of hitting, catching, and running bases. It's America's favorite pastime, but also huge in Japan, Cuba, and the Dominican Republic. This is cricket, where batters try to smash the ball while bowlers aim to knock down the stumps. It's super popular in India, England, and Australia. This is tennis, a fast-paced game of serves and swings, played on grass, clay, or hard courts. Wimbledon is the oldest and most famous tournament. This is volleyball. Pump, set, spike. It can be played indoors or on the beach. Teams work together to keep the ball from touching the ground. This is swimming. From freestyle to butterfly, swimming is a sport for speed and endurance. Olympic swimmers can move faster than most people can run in water. This is gymnastics. Flip, spin, and balance. It combines strength, flexibility, and grace. The balance beam and uneven bars are crowd favorites. This is track and field. Running, jumping, and throwing all in one sport. The 100-meter dash is the ultimate speed test. This is rugby. Rough, tough, and full of teamwork. Players pass the ball backward and run forward. Confusing but exciting. This is table tennis, also called ping pong. Tiny paddles, a lightweight ball, and super quick reactions. This is ice hockey, played on ice skates with sticks and a puck. It's one of the fastest team sports in the world. This is golf. Players hit a tiny ball into a hole in the fewest swings possible. Some courses are so big, they take hours to finish. This is badminton, where players hit a shuttlecock over a net. It's the fastest racket sport. Smashes can reach over 300 kilometers per hour. This is wrestling, one of the oldest sports in history. It's about strength, technique, and trying to pin your opponent. This is surfing, riding ocean waves on a board. From Hawaii to Australia, surfers chase the perfect wave. This is boxing, all about speed, power, and defense. Fighters score points by landing clean punches. This is karate from Japan, focusing on punches, kicks, and discipline. Respect is just as important as skill. This is skiing, zooming down snowy mountains on skis. There's even ski jumping, where athletes fly through the air. This is archery, hitting a target with a bow and arrow. It takes patience, focus, and a steady hand. This is canoeing and kayaking, paddling through rivers, lakes, and sometimes wild, rushing rapids. This is skateboarding, flips, jumps, and cool tricks. It's now even part of the Olympics. This is cycling. From mountain biking to the Tour de France, cycling is all about speed, stamina, and balance. This is esports. Yes, even video games can be a sport. Players compete in games like FIFA and League of Legends in giant arenas. This is martial arts, from judo to taekwondo to mixed martial arts. These sports combine skill, respect, and lightning-fast moves. Sports come in all shapes and sizes. On land, in water, in the air, and even on ice. Which one would you try first? Thanks for playing with us today. And remember, in sports, teamwork and fun always win.